If glare or heat from the sun is a problem in your home, then smart shades may seem like the obvious solution. But most automations rely on a schedule while the sun is constantly moving. Here's the automation logic that I use to adjust our shades when sunlight actually becomes impactful. Let's dig in. During the day, heat and glare don't happen at fixed times. They happen based on where the sun is. This is where solar positioning comes in and where most people will stop, but this is the part that makes your home feel intelligent. Two things matter here. The first is azimuth, that's the compass direction of the sun, and the second is solar altitude, how high it is in the sky. You don't have to memorize the math. I'll simplify it for you so that you can just copy the logic. Just know this is how you let your home react to the sun's position and not just on a schedule. Most basic smart home platforms can't handle this level of precision, so I'm building this logic in Oconee. Let's take our kitchen windows as the example. They face east and get blasted by the sun mid-morning. So I set the automation so that when the solar altitude, how high it is in the sky, crosses 20 degrees, and the azimuth is between 70 degrees and 120 degrees, coming from the eastern direction, to close the windows partway. We also add simple conditions to avoid repeated triggers and layer logic for temperature or season. You can also place a little temperature sensor like this in the window to know when it's getting above average heat. Now, when the sun moves past the house, the shades open again. This is a separate automation, and give it enough time, we set 130 degrees as the azimuth. The key to not having repeated triggers is to use ranges or crossings, not static numbers. We want this to run once and not 20 times. Morning sun from the east is mostly just glare. The real thermal punishment comes in the afternoon when the sun hits our western windows. By this time of day, the sun sits higher in the sky and shines deep into the rooms. To prevent overheating and AC spikes, we'll adjust the automation. Set the azimuth to 240 to 290 degrees, and we'll use a slightly higher altitude since the sun sits higher in the sky and is more intense. You can replicate this logic for every direction. Those numbers are on the screen. Just keep in mind these are written for Northern Hemisphere dwellers. You may need to tweak these numbers for your home. That's fine. Play around with it and have fun. But the key thing is that once it's set, the home manages itself. No more remotes or thought, just automatic comfort and nice design. The goal isn't to have all of your shades going up and down all day. That would be annoying. It's to have the right shades respond automatically when the sun becomes impactful. If you want to know more about these smart shades that I'm using in my home, check out the full video. God bless you. I'll see you next time.